Welcome to another edition of Todd Talks. We're here at B&B's corporate headquarters in LaPorte, Indiana. We're going to talk about some of the different materials and surface treatment finishes that we can do on components. So we'll dive right into it and we'll look at anodizing. So anodizing can come in a lot of different colors. Here's a little pulley that's got maroon finish to it. We've got one that's got blue. If gold is more your fancy, we can do gold as well. And then we've got a coupling here that's actually in red. So custom coupling we've done. So colors are available, but if you just want clear anodize, this part is clear anodize, we can do that as well. And then we get into a hard coat anodize, which is going to give you more of a gray, dullish, black color for wear resistance. So moving from that over to some of the polymers that we do, this is a plastic injection molded. We can do this in acetyl, polypropylene, just depends on the resin you want to have it in. Here's a smaller version as well. This is flanged. So that's some of the polymers. Here's one that's a gear that we've cut out of bar stock. So nylon. And then we've got another housing over here that we've machined for somebody special, customer. So it's made out of nylon as well. So moving from that, we'll go into some of the other finishes we've got. This is a part that goes into packaging machinery. This is zinc. So this gives you some nice decorative look, but also some corrosion resistance as well. Keeping with that corrosion resistance theme, we got stainless steel. So 303, 304, 316, whatever you might need, 400 series, FDA approved, corrosion resistant, wash down. Here's one of our Powerhouse MX polychain equivalent timing pulleys. It's in stainless steel, 12 millimeter wide, 21 millimeter wide for 8 millimeter pitch. So going from that to aluminum. Okay, it's a little wire rope pulley that we've got, lightweight, but it's made from aluminum. Clamping plates made from aluminum and steel as well. And then we'll get into the black oxide coating. So black oxide coating gives a decorative look to it, a little corrosion resistance. You can see that we've got the B&B logo. So if you want a private brand, we can do that for your customers so they can capture the aftermarket. Cold dip as far as the black oxide coating. Then you can get into the hot dip. The hot dip as well here makes it look a little bronzy. So you can see that here. And if you have like two materials like steel flanges, and you've also got like Durabar as far as the material, it might look two-tone. So at the end of the day, one of the things I want to keep in mind is B&B uses steel, ductile, cast iron, aluminum, stainless steel, but what we do not use is powdered metal or sintered steel. Like some of our competitors, anything 6 inches and below from them are powdered metal or sintered steel. We don't use any of it. If you try to machine it, it becomes gummy. If you drop it, it can fracture. And good luck welding to it. So we've got you covered on all these different types of materials that might fit for you and your application. Keep in mind that B&B, we are part of the Solve Industrial Motion Group, and we're the drive solution experts. Thanks for joining.